Well, good afternoon everyone. Okay, so I wanted to jump on and show you how I make this amazing, like the ultimate Moorish, yet simple, vegan, Italian, spinach and orzo soup. Ingredients are all very, very simple. I'm gonna run you through it now. Best present ever from best mother ever brought us a ninja soup maker. Now this can do well in a soup maker, you just gotta adjust the ingredients, you know, you just gotta follow the manual. But for this, we have a stock pot. Now, the one thing I wanna say before I jump into how we do this is you do not need a stock pot. This is pretty new for me. I did just use a large saucepan, but you're gonna want to adjust how much stock you put in and also how much pasta you put in, obviously. But it's one of those soups that you'll just want another bowl and another bowl and another bowl. You're gonna walk past this pot and you're just gonna want another spoonful. That is how good it is. But we're not gonna whinge on, we're gonna make this quick and simple, and I'll show you what ingredients you need. I do wanna mention that I kind of eyeball it nowadays, but I will put the recipe down below. It's not my recipe, it's one I got offline. I will link it down below so you know the exact measurements if you want that. You're gonna want about 3 medium-sized carrots. 1 large onion is what I use. I do differ from the recipe, but I've only got these 2 small ones. A tin of chopped tomatoes, some olive oil, some orzo. Now, great thing about this is that as pasta is a bit of a shortage these days, this is all Sainsbury's had. And I was so happy. I'm guessing a lot of people don't know what to do with it and how to use it. So this is literally all they had on the shelf. I was so happy I grabbed a bag. You're gonna want about 3 stock cubes to make about 6 cups of stock, but follow your recipe on your stock packet. I buy frozen spinach because we do not use it often enough, and honestly, it's just as good. Only thing is you're gonna have to add this in sooner than the recipe calls for, because the recipe online uses fresh spinach and you've got to let that, you know, defrost. We're down to the last bit of salt. It's very upsetting. So some salt, some black pepper, some oregano, some rosemary. We did need thyme, don't have any, or you could just use like a mixed herb or an Italian seasoning, all good. But that is literally all you need. So, Lego. And also, of course, red wine, very important. It's to be used and consumed during the cooking of soup and everything else you may cook during your lockdown. It does help a lot. I'm running low. It's very upsetting. Hold on. We will fix this. I swear I will fix this. This is just disgraceful. Much better, much better. Okay. All right, so over a medium heat, you're going to want to have to chop in your onion. Oh my, there's a skin. Skin, get out of it. Naughty boy. Just fry off your onions on a medium heat, and after that we're going to add, after about 3 minutes or so, add the carrots and the garlic. I lie, got a little happy with the oil. I don't normally put this much oil in, don't either, but it's gonna make the onions really soft. So, time to add the rest of the ingredients, including the chopped tomatoes, 1.5 litres of stock, so this is just half a litre, so I'm gonna do 3 of those, and 1.5 cups, this is just half a cup. I don't have the right equipment of your orzo pasta. So, and also, I won't wait long until I put the spinach in, because this is frozen. So, normally you put fresh spinach in about a minute before it finishes, minute, 2 minutes, but I put this in about, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes, just so I can make sure it's all defrosted. So, alright, so just stir it all up, and it should be good once you've got it up to a simmer in about 10 to 12 minutes, something like that. So I'll put the frozen spinach in momentarily, but do not forget to season. I just kind of eyeball it. I don't know, just put a little bit in of everything, don't worry about it. Alright, so you add in all the spinach. Now you have the most delicious Moorish pasta-filled soup you could ever dream of. It's bloody fantastic, love. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments other veggie soups or anything I should make from around the world, and I'll give them a go, you know, because why not? I could do with fucking up some dishes. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, enjoy your lockdown with the best wine and the best food that you can make with things you can find in your cupboard. Hope you enjoyed it. Love you loads. See you later. Bye.